Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it. I'm back again with another video, my people. Wagwan. I hope you're all doing good and I hope you're all doing great. My people, may I get right into it. Uno need to hear this.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
It has come to my attention that a high number of nurses at Kingston Public Hospital have called in sick. This was confirmed by Regional Director of the Southeast Regional Health Authority, Errol Green. The nurses are on the 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. shift. However, Mr. Green was unable to say what was behind the sick out. He said supervisors and new hires will fill the vacancies. When you hear them something, my viewers and subscribers, you see, them no want talk, them no want tell you the reason why the nurses, them, the nurses, them are go pan sick, They don't want tell you why the nurses, them take sick leave. Yeah, but guess what? You see, if the nurses and doctors, them not have the sources for work with, the resources for work with, how can they carry out their duty? You understand? If they don't have the resources for work with, how can they carry out their duty? You understand what I try to show them? So, they like to hide things. This is the thing I talk about. The nurses, them, stage sick out at KPH. The director was asked a question and he don't want answer. He don't want to tell you why the nurses, them sick. Why? Only love hide things. Everything on hide. I mean, I understand why everything una hide and come publicly talk like una happy about it. You understand? You see, the hospital them do not have the resources them to work with. They don't have the equipment. And they underpay. And they not get them right pay. They not get them pay on time. Of course, I must something like that. You understand? Remember, no equipment, no resources, no medication, no space to put the patient in them. Sometimes the poor patient in them have to lay down on the floor. Yeah? And plus the nurses them underpay. They not get, when one time come, they not get them correct pay. They not get them pay on time. Of course, them are go sick and tired of this thing. It is not right. And you see how quick them a fill vacancies. You see how quick them a fill vacancies. I hope when una fill it, these people are well experienced. I hope when una fill these vacancies, these nurses are well experienced. You understand me? Because all them is unacceptable. It is unacceptable. Me no wrong the nurses them figure up on sick leave. Of course, stage sick out, yes, because they not go along good. I have them a hide, everything them a hide. Why una can't tell me the reason why the nurses them stage sick? Una supposed to can't tell the public. These things supposed to be transparent. Why una hide everything? Una know different. That's why me always say it. If the top of the stream dirty, the bottom of the stream have to dirty. Because at the same thing Christopher Tufton do, like we hide things, and uno come and do the exact same things. And must, if uno come out and talk, yeah, the reason why the nurses them take sick leave, it have to be a reason. It has to be a reason. Maybe uno have been told not to come and share that with the public, which is wrong. Things need to be transparent. You understand me? All them as something is unacceptable, my viewers and subscribers. We tired of the hospital, them, the public hospital, them, now do they work to the best of their ability. We tired of them a shout off for the poor patient, them. The patient, them tired of lay down on the floor. The patient, them tired of wait for hours, all 3-4 days before they see a doctor. All them something here need to be stopped. All of them something here need to be stopped. It is not right. Our health come first. You understand? And Christopher Tufton, you need to know this, say our health come first. You claim say health and wellness minister. But what really are you? What really are you? Because the only thing me see I do appear pure interest in the private sector and not in the public sector. The public sector is failing so much. And we are suffering. While it's failing, we are suffering. See, me put out a video earlier where you're going to do electronic system, which that is not a top priority. It's the patient health is a top priority. The patient them health. You understand me? This is why me have to come out and burn them out more time. And sometimes I see someone come on at the comment section, I get vexed. I get vexed all them stupidness. When me talk for not only Uno, me talk for myself and my future children them too. For everybody. The whole Jamaican me advice for. So why would I get vexed? Honestly say Andrew Holness and Christopher Tufton not doing a good job. The reason why Christopher Tufton is behaving like this and make the hospital them a behave like this also and hide things from us is because Andrew Holness tell Christopher Tufton say he's doing a very good job. So everybody throughout, every CEO automatically thinks that them a do good job too. You understand? And we are tired of the mistreatment. We are tired of it. And the nurses them, sometimes I not blame them in certain area, but most of the time I have to blame them too because the way how they talk to people, talk to patient, it is not right. You understand? Them are going like say patient now and pay them. All them something there's some more time I have to burn out the nurses them too. You understand me? But on top of that, Christopher Tufton need to get equipment and resources for the hospital them. You fi stop make the people them a suffer, brother. No matter how we come out and talk, you care less. I me tell you all the while, so not to go out and protest against these things. But you don't do nothing. You just sit down like goody cool shoes, like everything good. But you don't tell me what you think, my viewers and subscribers. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. You don't have to agree with me, but me just a talk for my mind, Tell me what you think. I want your phone views on this. Director of Public Prosecutions, DPP Paula Lewin, says the alleged conflict of interest, which sees the president of the National Water Commission, NWC Mark Barnett, owing the utility company almost $900,000 is a matter for the civil court. The allegation forms part of a report by the Integrity Commission, which was tabled in Parliament in October last year. The report revealed that Mr. Barnett and his wife, as of November 2021, owed the NWC almost $200,000 in wastewater fees and almost $700,000 for water charges. When I see them something I know. So, this man, him owe how much money? How much? Just say nearly 2 million or even more. No, not 2 million. No. He owe 900,000, nearly a million him owe. Yeah? And this a man you know. This a man you know owe so much money. And you have the DPP now, Paula Lewin, I say, because this happened so long ago, it is too late to charge him. This is what the DPP said. Tell me if they're not up to something. If the DPP come out and I say something will happen in a 2021 and I say it is too late to charge Mark Bennett, you tell me if they not have something up their sleeve. You know say no. Them know what them are doing, Are they like a trick? But me I look right through them. Are they like a trick? This is what the public officials they want. This is what the MP they want here. Because member know, members are they under investigation. And then declare their asset. So guess what now? You see when them a rule out that for this money yeah, and a charge this money, and that them a go and do for the public officials them, for the MP them. So every MP, when I declare their asset and rob up money, at the same thing them a go do, them a say, well, true because it happened such and such time, it is too late now for charge them. I never hear something like this yet in my life. No prosecutor will never say that. No way. I never hear that. You're going to say it is too late to charge this money. We owe 900,000. It come like the DPP a lick our head. But you know, lick our head in my viewers and subscribers are the little trick. So guess what? You see, if they do, you see, if this money, it's not a MP. So if this money, them not charging because they're late. Yeah, and that them are go and do for the MP them. So all of the MP them know when I declare their asset, them are go say, well, it is too late now to charge them. You understand? So it's a strategy them are come up with. It is a strategy, and this is wrong. This is wrong on all levels, my viewers and subscribers. This is the person Andrew Holness keep back. Keep back, and give her 2-year extension for this. For somebody not pay how much money and you not charge them. And you go say because it late now. What kind of nonsense is that? What kind of nonsense is that? And when me come out and I talk about her, you have some uno come and need me comment section and talk about leave the DPP alone. Is this the DPP we really want to be a prosecutor for our country? Uno say something wrong. But it's the little trick, my viewers and subscribers. Uno have to see far ahead, Uno listen to me, Look far ahead. That me I do. The DPP, I said, this a money owe 900,000. This a money not even MP. And this a money, she has said, it's too late now for charge this a money. So if it's too late now for charge this a money, what happened to the thief, them the 6 thief? And the same thing we not go say. The same thing we not go say, But it not go work. We not go allow it. It's not going to work. You understand? All them something is wrong. All these things is not right. How can a DPP say it is too late for charge? All them nonsense there. God know, me no know what really are going on, But something not right. Something not right. But when I see them a move like this, it's a planting. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, wanna tell me what you think about this. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.